Meet Uncle J. Uncle J always complains back pain. What is the diagnosis and what's the solution of Uncle J's problem? In this video, we will give a great tip to relieve his pain, so watch the video till the end. Meet the three characters of today's story. Dr. Aimy, Aimy Fit, and of course, Uncle J. Dr. Aimy is pondering what might have caused Uncle J's pain. It might be because Uncle J picks up things from the floor in a wrong way. But no worries, we have a solution for the pain. Aimy Fit will suggest a tip to relieve the pain. When you go to bed at night and you're lying flat on the bed, place a cushion right below your hips. And every time you want to lie on your side, place the cushion between your knees. This habit will give you complete or at least some relief to your back pain. And you will wake up the next morning fresh and happy. Girls and guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.